In 2026, top plumbing companies are switching to ServiceTitan to grow faster. Paper schedules and missed calls cost time and reputation. It's time for a system. ServiceTitan centralizes dispatch, scheduling, and customer data in one modern platform. Technicians use a fast mobile app to access jobs, invoices, and parts in real time. That means fewer callbacks, faster arrivals, and 20% higher job completion rates. Intuitive dashboards show live KPIs, jobs per tech, and revenue trends at a glance. Hear from owners who scaled without losing quality. ServiceTitan cut our dispatch time in half and boosted monthly revenue 35%. Integrated billing and automated follow-ups increased repeat customers by 28%. Cloud setup and hands-on training get teams live in weeks, not months. Built for plumbing with logo-safe blues, teal accents, and clear data-driven visuals. Ready to modernize? Visit ServiceTitan.com and request a demo today.